Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to build a commercial building in Build a City community town. On the top bars up here you can see how many residents you have and how many workers you have. If you need more workers, if you need more workplaces, then to build a commercial place, click here, then make sure you are in commercial tab here. Now you can find different commercial buildings and choose the one you like. You can see the price of it, how much does it pay, and the number of workers that will be able to work in that place. So I'm gonna choose kiosk, and then you can pay for it with cash or with gold. Paying with gold will make the building be built instantly, and paying with cash will make the building be built in the time shown here, in this case 2 minutes. I'm gonna choose instant for 6 gold, and now I can place it wherever I want, but I need to remember that it has to have an access to a road. So I'm gonna build it here near a road, so residents and workers can come here with a road. Approve it here, and since it's an instant build, I can receive it now. So when it's built, just click on it to receive it. You can see that number of workplaces has been increased, and now the workplace is built. If you are building with cash, so not instantly, you can see here the number of builders in your city. I have 1 temporary builder and 3 permanent builders, so I can build up to 4 buildings at once. So I will need to wait if I want to build more buildings at once. And that's all about building commercial buildings in Build a City community town. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.